face at 3 a.m. Ninja trader hums a digital hymn. Futures flicker red and green ballet. TikTok silent, YouTube's just static today. Candlesticks climb, then they fall like rain. My portfolio's a ghost, no one to explain. Lonely days, trading in the void. Charts don't lie, but they don't make a noise. I watch the ticks, they dance in the dark. No likes, no comments, just my beating heart. Full port, empty room, what's the cost? Is this a profit or just a lost cause? Alone in the charts, I'm a one-man show. Candlesticks for hours, no one to know. TikTok trends fade, YouTube stars align. But I'm here with my trade, stuck in this time. Alone in the charts where the numbers collide. Futures rise and fall, but I'm by my side. No audience claps, no one to cheer. Just me in the market, year after year. My phone pings once a spam email plea. Boost your followers, be a celebrity. I delete it fast like a bad trade gone wrong. Cause my world's in the lines where the trends belong. Volume spikes, then it drops to a crawl. I sip cold coffee, stare at the wall. Lonely days, but I can't look away. This is my life, for better or worse, okay? I watch the ticks, they dance in the dark. No likes, no comments, just my beating heart. Full port, empty room, what's the...
What's up, man? Yeah, I guess Bulanox was having issues with Ribnick tonight. If you didn't disconnect, you could have taken advantage of it. So what it was doing after it started working again, it wasn't calculating your win and losses. So you could... What are you... you said you're trading gold tonight? Man, I paper-handed gold. Yeah, it was glitched. So you could have been thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars down. Yeah, I've been trying to trade gold tonight. I still struggle with not holding trades for some reason. Yeah, I still take them, but like I said, I struggle to hold them. Like real bad. Yeah, I've heard of the MACD. Yeah, I don't mind indicators. I just have sometimes I forget about them when I'm trading. Just don't even think about them. NASDAQ gets back above 87 or what? Not 87, 97. 97, 95 area. So yeah, so while it was glitched a while ago on the Bulanox, we went in with 50 micros. Yeah, we're up $500. We went in 50 micros for 5 points. So didn't have to worry about it. As long as you didn't close the trade, you could stay in it forever. It's not, it won't do that now. It's fixed now because after I got that win, I disconnected and reconnected. Yeah, well, mine's working now since I disconnected. Since I disconnected and reconnected. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting to see what happens with this 500 level. So maybe the 500 will. And I got my whatchamacallit back. You can see for some reason the see my Bulanox account still haven't reset. Dude, gold just paid again. Oh man. I gotta start trusting gold so bad. I'm struggling just trusting it. I know, Methodical, get on here and throw it in my face. We did take advantage of that one thing, Methodical, man. On that Bewley eval. I was telling Micro, man, we went in with the 50 micros. I don't know if Methodical's going to be here for the giveaway tonight. I thought I saw him have the live stream. So, it's working now because I disconnected. I disconnected and reconnected. If you disconnect and reconnect, it'll start working again. Methodical or John Carter. I'm not sure if he's streaming tonight for the giveaways or not. Screw you, gold. What is that, like the third trade tonight, Methodical? Or four? Oh, goodness. Like I said, that 95 is the line in the sand. That's what we need to cross over if we're going to continue. We got to get back above that 95, 97. I mean, as long as 95 holds, I mean, we move back down. I'm trying to wait. Ah. Sorry, guys. Trying to fix my camera. Okay. I think we're good to go here, guys. I was trying to get my camera situated here. I am long bias back above the 95, but we would have to get back above that 95 before we'd be long bias. I don't know if we just short this here and it just sells back down. Not really sure what's. We can pull the fib just to be on the safe side. So what we can do is just and see if we get a 50% pullback here. Is it 20 minutes until the top of the hour? Yeah. Oh, yeah. No doubt. So the Tokyo opening is at 9 o'clock. Okay. See, I've been wondering about that. Like, I swear. Let's see if I can change this a little different. So we're not so close to the camera. I will look for a long back above 95. It's hard for me to take the short right now, micro. is because you may get your 80 pullback if you're still holding the 80, but you know, you can look for that 50% pullback possible. What's up, 44? How are you doing this evening? Did anybody take advantage of the Bulanox glitch tonight? What? I've only seen it happen twice, ultrasound. So basically what it is, it doesn't calculate your P&L while you're in the trade. So you can be down thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and it won't shut down the trade until it takes profit or you close it or whatever happens. So if you get in a bunch of drawdown, you know, if you go in heavy, and you can hold out without it blowing up it won't blow up your account. You can just hold it forever as long as you don't close it. I don't think it's not working no more for me because I've already closed it. But I did go in with 50 micros when it happened for 5 points a while ago. And that's how we got the $500 on this eval. But see, right now it will, the unrealized P&L will be working, so you can't do it right now. Unless you haven't signed out of your, you know, if you're using Bulanox and you haven't signed out. I've seen it happen before. One time it stayed like that for quite a while. I never did use it, but I know of other people who were using it. I'm short bias below 95. Then above 95 we're long. For shorts, you almost would have to get below the 50 and 60%. I was doing a gold trade, but man, I paper handed every single gold trade tonight, guys. And I think it was 3 for 3 tonight on gold trade. But there's another gold entry right here. See, 1, 2. As soon as this closed, that'll be another ledge. What's up, Timothy? What was that? 1, 2. Not sure if that one hit or not. How did everybody else fare today? I've been debating on if we're going to not trade our fundeds tomorrow. Is it close to the top of the hour? No. Is there anybody long or short at the moment? Micro, are you still entering trades, or are you did you finally get done entering? Oh, shoot. Oh, you're paper trading, so you're using a sim account? Oh, you're trading cash. Yeah, eventually I want to do a cash account too. So hopefully at the agent market we can get a little uh-oh. I don't know why I do that. Like I said, if we pop to 95, you'll probably at least get up to 510 before you get some kind of resistance. That's the top of the New York PM high there at 510. Now, I'm not really sure what'll happen above there. Yeah, we got that PM high sitting up there at 510. Let me see. I kind of want to get long in a minute, hopefully before the Tokyo session opens, because more likely that's probably when we're going to get our push. Yeah, it just has to get through the 95s. No, we're not in a trade ultrasound. You're short, Rick? Nice. What are you targeting, Rick? You said you want to buy a HK 50 but not open yet? Not minis. Oh, the Hong Kong. That's the Hong Kong market. Okay. Okay, I got what you're saying. There's just no way that I feel comfortable shorting into all this consolidation. So that's why I'm staying out of it. Oh crap, that's the top of the hour. Never mind. I didn't think about that when I was putting this on. I got 7 minutes. I forgot about it being the top of the hour. I don't want to be in a trade especially on gold at the top of the hour. I got to watch the clock here. I'm sorry about that. Man, my throat. What's up, Solo? You said you have a short at 25,400? Ooh, that's 100 points down. Like I said, I will probably have to close this early because I don't want to hold this in the top of the hour. Yeah, that's pretty good. 2K on your elusive. We're too close to the top of the hour, and usually gold is very scary at the top of the hour. Yeah. I'll give it another minute or so. But like I said, I don't want to hold this in the top of the hour. Okay. There's no way I can hold that into the top of the hour, guys. I just need to get off this account because I've been doing stupid shit that account tonight. Yeah, it's hard not to fear gold at the top of the hour, man. That thing could easily go down like 20 points, then rip back up. That's the only time to me gold's not safe to hold is whenever it's the top of the hour. We got 2.5 minutes left. I mean, I'll do it on my whatchamacallit. We may take it on Bulanox, but we won't take it on our elusive account. All right. Like I said, we'll do it on our Bewley. We just won't do it on our Lucif account. Oh, shit. Sorry. All right. Less than 30 seconds to go. Let's see what happens at the top of the hour here. I mean, if you guys want, we can always put the boys on the table here. Oh, never mind. What a dud. What's up, man? Man, I was hoping the Tokyo session would have gave us a pop here. Maybe after we create some kind of wick, it'll give us a pop. Dude, what did gold push down? 5 points. 10 points since that last, what, high? Oh, you're looking for 2605? The only reason why I didn't choose above that 25,000 or that 26,500, because that 26,510 is the PM high, and a lot of times it rejects off of that. I was just trying to read chat, guys. Are you in a position right now, Micro? Are you still waiting? I'm glad I got out of this. Oh, you were still going long? Okay, I thought you were waiting to go long. Oh yeah, that's right. You can do. I forgot you said you were doing the paper trading. 10 points. So we just hit another swing. So may reject here. Let's see. Did this? That one already paid. That ledge has already been hit also. I mean, even though it did push down 10 points, it's still a valid trade. Because it's like a negative RR type trade. Yeah, I was looking for the possible 50% pullback, Micro. I don't know if I'm going to leave my 95 entry up there. I was only putting that there just in case we got the pop, but we didn't get the pop at the opening. So I don't want to leave it up there and it comes back up there and wicks me in. Yeah, see, I don't understand why not. See, my Bewley accounts didn't reset tonight. Sorry. Well, shoot. I I logged out of my Bulenox to reset them and it won't log back in. That's why I wasn't even sure if we were going to trade tonight because Bulenox is still having some issues, or Ripnik's having issues tonight. I don't know if anybody else is having some issues. Come on. I can't get my accounts to log back on, man. Well, I logged out of them and I tried to log back in. Now they won't do anything. Oh, you would have shorted at the VWAP. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of been waiting for us to break above, this 95, 97 area. That's kind of disappointing. I was waiting to see if we would print above that 95, 97 ultras, but I don't really want to take this on my freaking one account. I'd much rather take this on that Bulanox account. But my Bulanox accounts are not logging back in since I logged out. What the crud? Oh well, we'll just leave them there and see if they come back on. Oh, Tokyo's not doing anything, man. We're just kind of sitting. Oh, the ATR is like 8. Holy crap. Oh, it's only been 2 candles. Okay. Is anybody else having some issues with that? I know someone said their counts didn't, CS said his counts didn't reset. I mean, oil had a nice push down. What is that here? A while ago. Entry would have been 17. And I'm glad we got out of that thing. Dude, I mean, why do I constantly get spam? I get tired of blocking this crap every single night. It's like it never fails. Woo. I'm so glad we got out of that gold trade, guys. Holy goodness. Yeah, gold is dumping. It dumped hard. Man. I don't know if I just need to close my Ninja and open it back up to see if I could get my whatchamacallit to work. Whew. Like, what is that turn curve? Woo wee too, because man, we were short from 817 on gold. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Automative? No, we don't do any automative trading. No automative, Don. Are you long right now, ultrasound? Yeah, I'm still waiting for us to break out of this. Yeah, gold dumped hard, man. Ooh. Excuse me. I'm gonna log out of Ninja real quick, guys. Man. Stupid springtime weather, I swear. Give me like a minute or two. I was trying to close down my Ninja completely. I still can't log into my accounts on my Beulah Knox accounts. Well, if you're using Beulah Knox tonight, guys, don't log out of your account because that it is not coming back up. I mean, I got a couple evals I can trade, but I just don't like trading those evals at those particular evals at this time of the night. You're doing a CFD. What's up, man? Nobody's paying for signals. No. Negative on paying for signals. I've been waiting to see if we can get above 95. I'm still long bias. I mean, I have no reason to be short. Oh, yeah. We did go in. I mean, I guess I could still trade my Bewley accounts. I probably would just have to log on a Quant Tower. Just don't want to get the fake out here. What about you, Nick? Are you still sitting on the sidelines, or are you trading? Sidelines? On the bench. Put him in, coach. That's pretty good. Hey, there's always Buell-Knox, even though Buell-Knox is not working tonight. You can get those things for like 15 bucks. And that way, if you're having moments, it's not as bad. Dude, I don't know what it is with my voice tonight. This. Oh, 2 evals a week until you get funded. For about 2.5, cyber. The first 6 months I spent just trading like 1 day a week because I was still working during the daytime. Wow. Dude, we just could not break this. Couldn't, like I said, could not break that. So we could easily, what, get the push back down to 460 possibly? Oh, nice, dude. No, I don't think it's changed my life any yet. Not enough where, you know, we still have to make income in other places. Yeah, there was no way I was going to take that ultrasound unless it printed above that level. Oh, it's just one of the other chats, Microman. The combustion. I used to be 20 pound lighter. Yeah, I know. We've been trying to lose some weight here. I need to lose like maybe 30 more pounds. Sitting at this desk all the time makes you a little chunky. Oh goodness. You're always skinny. Eating less. Oh goodness, man. People be tripping. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be laughing. I was laughing at just listening to something. People have me tripping out, like when they talk about trades, all excited and stuff, but don't take the trades. That always makes me laugh. Oh, they're all pumped for the trade. Yeah, that's what I do. Just eat less. I've been on that like 1,000 to 1,500 calories a day. What's up, Matt? How are you doing tonight? 48. Yeah, I don't ever recommend trading funded accounts or anything this type of night, Jamie. We just trade evals. I'm not interested in a trade unless we can kind of print above the 95. I've been kind of waiting. We've been pushing the 95s, but I've been kind of waiting to see if we're going to break above it. It's really hard for me to take shorts. So we're just kind of sitting here watching. I hate the fact that Buellnox will not log back onto my accounts. I even need to make sure that I can even take a trade here. I'm not even sure. Let's see. Okay, I can. Just had to make sure. Well, for some reason before, my data was not working on my Ninja with my funded future accounts for some reason, but it's working now because before I had to be logged into another prop firm, but that's been a few weeks ago and I just haven't rechecked. Uh I think as long as we don't lose over 50% this leg. Let's see. We can always try logging onto our Quantower accounts to trade Buellnox, I think. Not a fan of Quantower, but I just don't really want to trade my funded futures accounts at this time of the night. Oh, goodness. What's the difference between the NAS and the NQ on TradingView? I'm not sure. I can look real quick. I guess you just type in NAS. I don't know. It comes up. All right, you said 1 micro. What leg is it? Play some Call of Duty while you wait. I haven't done the Call of Duty thing in a long time, Don. Yeah, a lot of chop this evening, Bobby. There's not really a lot to do here. Like I said, I hate that my Bewley accounts is not working. So true, Micro Man. So true. I started playing Call of Duty in like 07, 08. And I played it regularly for almost 10 years. I think I started playing it until, people started getting their feelings hurt for losing, I guess. Or whenever they basically made, every lot. I was a Black Ops fan. I was always the Black Ops. Treyarch was always my favorite series. Definitely some Black Ops 1. TikTok and horizontal. Horizontal and vertical on YouTube. Yep. Dude, I remember I want to say it was Modern Warfare 2. I think I got laid off work that summer. It was right after like the whole like 2010 like end of the market crash that we had back in that 08 to 010. And that's when the company I worked for, they lost like their federal funding, so they laid off a bunch of people. I think I spent all summer playing Call of Duty with my son. Yeah. I think we had like 50 or 60 days played in Modern Warfare 2. I think we even got a platinum trophy on that one. Lots of hours. It had nothing to do. It was summertime, hot outside, so yeah. So far, guys, pretty boring evening. Not really a lot going on with price action. Last night we got what, 100-point move. Hey, did anybody stay in that trade today? Remember I said on the ES? Oh yeah, Black Ops, dude. The whole Black Ops series were my favorite. Timothy. I want to say even all the way up to Black Ops, what do you want to call it? Just a few years back. I can't remember it. Let's see how far that trade went up. Because we got long this morning at 17. Oh, yeah, it was right here. I don't know if anybody stayed in that trade or not. So we got long at 17. And we broke that one level on the ES. And I was like, man, this thing's probably going to go up 100 plus points. I didn't realize where we pulled back into when we pulled back. I wish I'd had looked to the, looked to the left, but I didn't. And we pulled back and retested the top of that 4-hour candle at 53. And then we created a little order block and just went straight up. Definitely was the move of the day. I want to say even on my funded futures, we got 10 points on this trade because we got long once it I got long actually here once it broke above the 500 level, and we ended up taking this up to 50. So we ended up with like a 50-point trade on my funded futures today. Oh yeah, most definitely. And the more, I don't know, don't really have much of a strategy in the evening time. It's just more or less just playing price action and waiting to see if we're going to break out of our consolidation zone. So if we can break out of the 95s, above 95s, and find like maybe like a little wick that'll wick back into the 95, I like to get long there. Then your next levels up would be the PM high or the AM lunch high, which is all the way at 563. But that's only if you get through the 510s. Oh. The morning time, we're just playing price action. Basically, we're just looking for us to either. I didn't get a chance to make my opening video like we usually do. I've been trying to make those more lately to show like what. I don't have the way I do my RR in the morning is I usually have a strict 20 to 25 point stop loss. So I try to enter next to like support or breakout as close as possible so we don't get much more than a 20-point pullback. So so this morning's entry was this candle here. So basically at the No, I think we took it at the 30 or 35, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was this candle here. Remember, I said 55 was probably your safe target this morning, and I think I took it for 20 points because I didn't want to fight this previous day close and this previous day high candle. As you can see, it kind of hit that area, then had a fairly decent pullback, so I just didn't want to fight this. Then we were just kind of patient. We kind of took this little breakout here as we were breaking out the 15-minute range. And that would be your 9 to 9:15 minute candle. It's a little different every day. I don't feel like it's ever the same. Oh, you did? Nice. Dude, that's back-to-back days that I've had 50-point trades over there during the lunch hour. I don't know if anybody knows, but it's hard as crap to trade during the lunch hour. That to me, I find like the hardest time to trade. What happened? A lot of consolidation and chop at the moment. So we're just kind of sitting on the sidelines. The ES is at support also, guys. Look how bad the ES looks. Looks horrible with the chop with the ES. What I'm not looking forward to is if tonight it pushes up and consolidates, and then what's going to happen is we're going to be stuck between two consolidations, and we're just going to be bouncing back and forth, and it's going to make it super hard to trade. To me, I find that price action to worse. Or, you know, the worst type of price action is when we're trapped between two consolidation periods and we can't escape. Which we can leave the ES here over here for a minute too for anybody that's trading the ES. Yeah, April has been very, very tough. I feel like ever since we got into June contracts, it has been tough. Like last April, it was very untradeable. You're ready for a long setup ultrasound? It'll escape. Yeah, it'll escape. It'll just be a crappy Friday. I know I'm debating on not even trading my funded accounts tomorrow. Because we took a loss last Friday. So we took a loss Friday and we took a loss Wednesday. So those have been our last two losses on our fundeds. So, yeah, we've definitely been on that 12-day rally where we've just gone up for the last 2 weeks. Did anybody lose any accounts this week? Anybody lose any evals or funded accounts? Yeah, I try to trade gold, but I struggle on holding it for some reason. I can hold NASDAQ all day, but man, when it comes to gold, I'm just not, I haven't done it enough to feel comfortable with the trades. But I'm also trying to trade it on my Lucif account. And, excuse me, that Lucif account, I had to work like really hard just to get that thing back over 26,000. We got that thing all the way back down to like what, 24, like 700, 800. So it's like I keep losing my money in gold because I keep either going to take profit or moving it to where it doesn't need to be. So it's just a struggle. I'd stopped looking at gold a minute ago. Oh, excuse me. Goodness, I cannot stop yawning. I know I was thinking about taking this long while ago on gold, but I knew that it was at the top of the hour, so we're like, okay, we got to get out of this, and I'm so glad we did, because it's so down. What? 21 points. Dude, nice, Tyler. Who you trading with? Apex? Okay. Nice. Yay, Bewley's back on. Holy goodness. Hey, they didn't take my $500 away, so I think we're good. Nice. You're in at 47.68. That's a gold trade? No? Or ES? Or is that an ES trade? Oh, 47.68 down here. Okay. Oh, gold? Man. $47. 68. Man, when did you get in that one? Is that earlier today? That was what, from the 14th? You've been holding for 2 days? $50K you feel the best on. I do a lot of 25Ks and 50Ks. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not a biggie. We are what? We still need to make another $700 to get to payout. 700 plus 820. So ours is a little bit of ways. All right. Do we finally break this level, guys? Remember, Micro, you wanted to print, you wanted to close above the 96. You don't want to do it just from wicking above it. Last night we had fairly decent price action, so, but tonight's not the case. We got about 43 seconds left for the next 5-minute candle. So, excuse me. I don't know about you guys, but man, by the end of the week, I'm like so unmotivated. Yeah, so I've been, doing that gold stuff or trying to do the gold, and so I start watching charts like at 5 o'clock in the evening. So I'm sitting here for like 2 hours before I start streaming, already staring at charts. Then time 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock gets here. I'm just like, just don't have the motivation to keep it going. Oh no. I don't know if I can do the whole automated thing, Don. I've never had any luck with that. If I tried that, excuse me, I would spend just as much time watching it or babysitting it or messing with it. I just don't think I would do well if I did automative. I know, Tyler. I'm like, I start getting sleepy about this time of the night. I wanted to start at 7 o'clock my time tonight, but I was having issues with my Bulinox accounts logging on. So, goodness. Just thinking about yawning is making me yawn. So you went long on the Hong Kong 50? See, I don't think I can get the Hong Kong 50. I looked that up last night, Timothy. It wouldn't let me see it. This has been some pretty crappy price action, guys, tonight. So we've been stuck in a 20-point range. I mean, not even really 30 points. I mean, the range has sucked tonight. So since 7 o'clock here. I mean, I guess if someone's good at playing range, do you just put another order down here and just get long and take it back up to, what, 95? If you're good at longs. Yeah, I'm kind of with you on the market probably needs a breather because it's been crazy lately. We'll hang out to the top of the hour. If the market does not move at the top of the hour, we're just going to call it good. We're in Central Time, so it's 5 minutes till 9 here. Yeah, that's pretty wild that it's 4 o'clock where you're at. Have you gone to sleep tonight, Don, or have you stayed up all night? If I could wake my butt up to trade the London session, I would. Oh, okay, you're in Alaska and it's only 6 o'clock there? Okay. That's not too bad. I guess that'd be the good thing about being on living out west is you could almost stay up late enough to trade the London session. This may be the one here, guys. No. Man, this thing is rejected again. Wow. Oh. Yeah, we got about 3 minutes for the top of the hour. I think there's quite a bit of people be trading the Asia market, man. I only trade evals in the Asia market, though. I haven't really got to the point where I trade my fundeds. I only do the, what do you want to call it? I only do my fundeds during the New York session. Like I said, we'll wait till the top of the hour here and see if we get like a little blast here at 10 o'clock hour. Yeah, I don't think I have the experience. You know, I've been trading to New York every day for the last 2.5 to 3 years, but Asia market, I've only really been trading it consistently since the end of November, 1st of December. So I've had definitely my struggles with the Asia market. A lot of times I struggle like seeing directional. Like, you know, I don't know why it is, but I do. New York is, you know, I feel comfortable trading the New York opening every morning. That's actually where mostly all my funded trades come from is the New York, like in that first probably 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes almost every day. Yeah, we've been dabbling with it, but I still um what do you want to call it? Struggle with holding it sometimes because it's so slow. All right, we got about 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Ooh. All right, 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. What's up, Fish Lips? You're giving away a free account, Methodical? I don't have any free accounts to give away. I'm going to apply for some more Lusa free accounts pretty soon. Hopefully they'll give me like 5 to give away. All right, guys, top of the hour here. This is where we really need to see a move at. Myth, the backdoor king. Oh, goodness. Oh, man. Thank you, Hootie. Well, oh my goodness. We did good. It was green all around for us today. Fish Lips. Yep, that's why we ended up closing our trade earlier, was because it was the top of the hour. We're still doing the copy trade thing, Fish Lips, so I think we only, for some reason, one of my trades didn't register this morning. I don't know what it is, because I got the first 10 points, but for some reason, it didn't register it for some reason. I'm not really sure why. So we only ended up with about $75 per account this morning. For some reason, there's something going on with Bewley Knox tonight. I'm not really sure what it is. No, for PP touch? Come on. Methodical's like, I ain't asking for much. But we're still grinding the Bewleys to pay out. I don't guess that thing's gonna let me put anything on there. Uh-oh. So it's finally going to be the breakout here. It takes a lot of money to drop to your house, Methodical. I was trying to think how much I spent last week in just gas. I didn't even do anything while I was down there. I think I still spent like almost $500 Methodical. I don't know why. I don't know on what. I didn't go nowhere, do nothing. It was all mostly gas, I think. Good part of it. We had some decent movement as soon as it started moving this morning. Yeah, mine did not either. It took forever for it to log on a while ago. Methodical, are you doing a giveaway tonight? Methodical's doing a giveaway for anybody that wants to pop over there in a little bit. I'm not sure when he's going to do his giveaway though. I think I have one more day left, Nick, before I can request some free accounts. I think I remember when they first put that on there where you can request free accounts. I think Methodical Man, he picked direct funded accounts. They didn't give it to him, but he was like, maybe they'll give me direct funded. They didn't give it to him. Oh, he's doing Apex giveaway. That's kind of what I'm thinking too, Steve. We just need to break above the 97, 95, 96 area. Whew. This little room gets toasty. Oh my goodness. I was really hoping we would have got something there at the top of the hour, but did not. It's like we ain't asking for much. Just asking for what? An 8-ball and $2 million. Got any Righteous Gemstone fans in here? I almost want to rewatch that show. That show was so funny. I don't know if anybody likes comedy movies or not, but the Righteous Gemstones, that shit was hilarious. Oh, goodness. All right. Finally starting to get the push. Let's see where we could push down. Uh, 65. That's pretty much at that previous day close. May try a bounce off the previous day close. We won't give it a lot of room in case it just blasts the Remember, this is straight mechanical, so there's no guarantees if this thing's going to bounce off this level or not. This is the previous day open. It already kind of went through this level once before, so let me make sure we're on the right account. We're up $500 tonight on this account, so oh, sorry. Yeah, so we're up 504. Yeah. That was, remember I told you when Beulah Knox was broken, we went in with 50 micros. It was broken. Oh yeah, tonight you cannot be, I wouldn't even be touching this crap tonight, man. Horrible price action tonight. You entered on the first 5-minute opening candle. So you've been long since what, 70 then, Steven? Right now we're just at the 50% of the overall move for the day, which is at what, 472. That's where we bounced off. Now we're only going to give this 10 points, guys. So if it goes over 10 points, we won't hold it more than 10 points. Usually we just take this in the New York. I usually just take this in the New York session. I hardly ever take this into Asia, so I don't really know what to expect. Does that work pretty good when you enter on the first 5-minute candle at the opening, Stephen? We also got a pivot at 41, so that could be also possible target. And we have had a lot of support down here at what, 472? I mean, look at all these candles. What do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Man, at least what, 2 hours of consolidation in that area. A lot of higher lows here. Yeah, if we have any APEC users, guys, Methodical Man is doing a giveaway for anybody that wants to go enter his giveaway. I can put the link to his channel. Let me go get his thing real quick for anybody that wants to join. There you go. I'm not sure what time he's doing the giveaway. And it's for Apex. Or you can tell him you want to be like, Apex is just not going to work. I need a take profit trader account. Is anybody, I know someone said they bought the opening. Is there anybody else in a position trade, or is everybody just kind of sitting on the sidelines? You're short from 75? Whew. Oh, you're still in your Hong Kong 50 trade? If this candle can print and close, that'll create like a order block. So your 75 looks pretty good right now, Fish Lips, if that candle prints and closes right there. What time is it? We still got 3 minutes left, so. Paying the bills with the micros. What is the US 30? Now this might be a short opportunity if this creates this order block here. Oh, that's the Dow Jones. Okay. I've heard it as called that. I don't think I've heard it say the US 30, or maybe I've had people put that on here, but I wasn't sure what it was. So we got a minute 30 seconds left. Minute left. Did we try to bounce off the previous day close? I still may try the previous day close bounce. Remember, guys, this is eval only. Make sure. What do we got? 15 seconds for new candle. Mm. Yeah, I like the down move. I was hoping we would got a cleaner candle. I'm only looking for 5 points. The more it consolidates, the less I like it. Goodness, my goodness, man. Someone's called. I'm here. Yeah, trust me, micro. My eyes are pretty heavy. Because I know I'm gonna be back up at probably 4:30 in the morning. So I mean, I'll be back up in 6 hours. I usually start the New York opening around 9, but my wife gets up at work at 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's usually hard to sleep in. That's pretty good. Had to go cry in the corner to shake it off. My cats get up around that time. It's pretty good. The cats. Oh no, she would never do anything like that. Trading is a solo game. For most part, you usually keep everything that happens amongst yourself. You know, at least I try to, good or bad. I try not to talk about trading. The only time I really talk about trading is if I'm not doing this, is on the phone with Methodical Man. I don't usually talk to it with like family members or, you know, the wife or anything like that. So whatever happens with the trading stuff, I just leave it here with it, you know. Yeah, I guess I don't really ever think about what people think. I just don't ever think about it, I guess. You know, I just try to leave it alone. Yeah, we make a little money from prop firms, trading. I mean, I'm not buying like Lambos or nothing, but you know, we've been able to pay a few bills with it. That's all I really care about, honestly. I mean, I can make money to pay bills and keep more of my money or have to work less, I guess. Actually, the tax man took, I think, most of my money this month. Damn you, tax man. Oh, goodness. Oh, did we put it on there? It's so close. Uh, or should we backdoor it? You know, like Methodical says. All right, we're going to go with it. We're going to go to break even fast. It could just blast here, guys. Oh, it blasted it. Holy shit. That's not good. Ugh, it did not respect that level at all. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Get through there. Nope. Hoping for a 70 retouch here. That would have been a good backdoor trade there, guys. All right. We'll just risk the 4 points. If it can't go, it just can't go. We'll get stopped out for the 4 points. I don't think it gets through this order block here. So this is the only thing. I don't think we get through this big red candle with the green and the red here. We may be lucky enough to get 5 points, and that's about it. Nice. Okay. I don't think it gets back up through there, guys. If it gets through that, man, this thing is going to the moon here. I don't think it'll get back through the current day high there. I can be like a methodical man. So usually whenever you take this previous day close trade, you don't really want to see it just blast your level by 10 points. Usually you want it to be instant. Trying to see where we at. Yeah, if we pull back down and lose 65 here, I mean, it could be. That's the next kind of like bear line there, that 65. But there's a lot of consolidation in that area also. If you look to the left, around the 60 levels, all the way down to 35. Let me look at my trading view. Come on, trading view. Give me the answers. You have them. That's what it feels like looking at trading view sometimes. Give me the answers that I seek. If we lose that previous day close, guys, it's definitely probably back down to the 35s, 40s. For us to move up here, we would have to get through the 80s. If we can't get through the 80s, it's just going to probably continue down. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It looks like it'll be really tough to get through there. Hey, there's nothing wrong with 400 ticks on 2 micros. That's pretty good. Let's see. Let's see how many points. That's 100 points, right? Yeah. Yeah, 100 points. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, I'm not sure what it's going to take us for us to get through these 80s, guys. There's a lot of consolidation there. So maybe we'll blast it. I don't know. No, I didn't. Oh, you traded oil day. I don't ever trade oil. Stop sweating so much. Excuse me. It's toasty in this room. My computer makes this room hot. I think it's because there's nothing in this room. It's pretty much just a office. And so it just... I think it's only like... What is... I know it's the smallest room in the house. Oh, no. We're not stressing over a Bulinox eval. We're up $600 at the moment on the eval, 611. So thank you for Bulinox for glitching. Got that Bulinox glitch in there, guys. Methodicals, man. Methodical was the one who called me up and told me about it. He's like, dude, Bewley's messing up again. So I was like, really? But I didn't tell him I was going to go 50 deep for 5 points. I did try it out, though, before I did it. So I hit the buy button, and I saw it wasn't affecting my P&L unless it hits a target. Did you take anything on that methodical? Yeah, I went in with 50 micros. I went in 50 micros for 5 points. Oh, goodness. We were going to hold that baby, too, no matter what happened. It's going to have to get through those 80s, man. If it cannot get through those 80s, I'd be careful on the longs. That's okay. I don't ever think much about if something's misspelt. this could just be a little bull flag here. I mean, a bear flag for us to come back down. Yeah, I didn't record it. It was just something that was that in the moment. Yeah, if we start losing that previous day close, guys, it could. So that's kind of the line in the sand for me. Maybe one day, but I thought YouTube does have spell check in there, because if I don't like capitalize something or put a comma behind something, or it'll underline it or something if you spell it wrong or type it in wrong or whatever, or not the right grammar for the. Oh, it's so true. Oh, it took me a while, Wisdom, to get the. It took me a while to get used to the diamond hands, man. I remember when I first started, I was the same way. I couldn't hold trades for anything. So it's definitely, it takes a while. I'm not gonna lie. You really can't learn, this. You definitely, yeah, I know. Get out of here. I know I cannot hold gold trades. Those things be melting. We have not got the gold down yet. Dude, I've taken probably less than 15 gold trades. So, but when it comes to NASDAQ, I can hold this thing forever. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, because sometimes it'll end up coming back and stopping me out. So, for a break-even trade. That's the only thing. I don't ever usually do the flipping from long to short, like you talking about like instantly? Yeah, that's something I've never tried. At least not on fundeds. I might have tried it on a eval, but usually if I'm wrong on my fundeds, I just accept that I'm wrong on my fundeds and put my accounts away. So, that has probably helped me the most, Timothy, with my funded accounts. Just accept for whatever happens. No, I want to say we're profitable this year so far. Yeah, we really haven't spent a lot of money this year on prop firms. We've been trading almost the same accounts for most of the year. I want to say my biggest loss, probably me losing my Lucid funded. I did lose one funded during the rollover week, and I shouldn't even been trading, but we did. That rollover week, that FOMC week, the options expiring, there was so much going on that week that it was just a horrible trading session that week. Luckily, that was probably the worst, the worst that happened. Just the one account. We can pull 50% on this and just see if we're just going to get a 50% pullback, because I don't know how hard it's going to be for us to get through all this consolidation here. So let's see. So right now we're at the 50% of the pullback, so kind of need to get through there. Yeah, mine is about 120 to 130, Miguel. Like, I think I lost 130 yesterday, if I wasn't mistaken. I think it was 130. Yeah, this thing could easily return, like start pushing back down right here. The New York, the overnight session loves the 50%. Yeah, so like I'll show you what I usually do with my accounts to just kind of keep them where we don't lose a lot. I usually show this quite a bit, but you know, like I think I've had one bad trading session, and this is what happens when you trade twice after taking a loss. So that was probably the last time I'd done that, and that was back on January 12th. So usually my trades are like $100 losses. So 130, like I said, we double traded that one, which was stupid. That one was $100. 187, 138, 76. That was last Friday. That was that trade we lost last Friday, and this was yesterday, 134. Yeah, we're copy trading 3 funded accounts. This account, I'm working on my third payout though. So you got total 2 payouts. So I've made $2,000 off of this account so far. And we've already traded at 57 days or 57 trades so far on this account. So this is the one that's been trading quite a while. The next one, we haven't got a payout on this account, but this is the one. This is the one that we're copy trading with it too. And all the losses on this have stayed pretty normal. So 187, 121, 151, 125, 127. That is probably this. And let me tell you what changed my mind and made me start doing that is because I actually brought that up today when on my funded futures with Methodical Man. We were talking about when you get to close to payout and you end up wrecking your account. And that's what happened. I want to say it was somewhere last year. It was either November. I feel it was either November or December. I was like $500 away, less than $500 away from a payout, and I ended up blowing the account. So after that, it was like, okay, we just got to put the accounts away when we take a loss and just come back tomorrow fresh. Oh, dude, trust me, it took me a while to get there, man. I did just as much stupid stuff as everybody else did. It seemed like it took me like 2 years to get used to being okay with having a red day, because that's the hardest part. You see that red on your account and you keep looking at it. It's like, you know what? I can get that back. Let me go in with 20 micros or 15 micros or something stupid. Then you end up blowing your account. Oh. I don't have any diamond hands when you're in that heavy. I like trading momentum in the morning, kind of like using higher time frames. So this morning, what did we run? Let's see what we ran this morning. I think we ran all the previous, yeah. So that would have been your 4-hour low. So that 4-hour candle made a new low. So you got to think. We had a very small 4-hour candle here. So these are all hourly candles. Do you ever see the guy on TikTok? I haven't really gone back to look at this scenario, but I've been wanting to look at it to see how right it is. But if you look at this, it's actually right. Let's see the first. Let's look at the. Let me do the 15 minutes. So that'd be 1, 2, 3. So that would be a red candle on the 15 minutes. So whatever the 15 minutes does, the first 15 minutes do the opposite. Let's see how true it is. So first 15-minute candles, long. I've been wanting to go back and look at this and see how right it is. So just remember that tomorrow. See, that one was green and it still went straight up. No, that's the yeah. So you look at the 845 candle. So that'd be the first candle print. So wait for that first 15-minute candle to print, and it should do the opposite. Like I said, I've been meaning to go back and look and see how true that is. I've never looked. So far, it's 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2. Let's see. 45, 45. Nope, that one was green and it still went straight up. Is that what it's called? Action market theory? So that was your first 15 minutes, green. So far, it's what, 3 for 1? 3 for 1? Uh-oh. We ran out of days. Probably going to get stopped out here on this runner, guys. Thanks, Miguel. Sorry if I'm saying that name wrong. I'm struggling to learning to lose. Oh, you mean like when you take a loss to try to get it back? Yeah, that's a very hard part. Looks like we're about to get stopped out here on the runner. It took me forever to get comfortable trading my funded accounts. It seemed like it took me forever to get over that hurdle because I didn't want to like keep spending money on funded accounts because it gets so expensive, and that's usually what deters you away from, kind of makes you not want to trade, is if you just keep losing and losing and losing. So I used to always do my best to try to take care of my fundeds, but it also made me like nervous to trade them all the time. It definitely took a little bit. All right, you said you should bet on the 15-minute break. Enter on the second 15-minute candle close out. First one. Oh, did you win the Apex account at Methodical Man, or you just bought an Apex account? I guess I can just probably close this because we're, like I said, we're probably going to get stopped out here. Oh, you're saying you bought a Apex account. Okay. I thought now why is Apex $60, man? I thought their stuff was like $20. Is that a big account or something? What's up, Nicholas? Good old Apex. I couldn't stop breaking Apex rules, so I've kind of gotten away from Apex. I was breaking the rules all the time. So it seems like they always denied my payouts. They're like, no. They're like, negative. Trade another 10 days or 8 days or whatever. So yeah, I don't know what they are now. I just know over the last year they kept changing their rules a lot. That's pretty good, mate. Yeah, I heard their new rules are a little bit more friendlier and easier. Oh yeah, fish slips. They said they closed. Dude, did they not give you back that account? Did they say why they closed that fish slips? I almost forgot about that. I remember you putting that in the Discord. No violations. Yeah, that don't make any sense. Whew. A 250K with 17,000 and lost it. Holy goodness, man. I have no idea as far as what's going to happen tonight. To me, it's so hard to trade this market when like you're this close to all-time highs. You're only about what 200 to 300 points away from all-time highs. To me, this is like the hardest price action. Yeah, that's pretty wild that you spent 9 days, 2 weeks trading for that to happen. Oh, are you still holding Timothy? You shorted the flip. So that means you were long then. Okay, so you're Stan, is that right? Okay. Yeah, I don't guess I ever try that. I mean, to me, I know everybody does their own thing, so I guess whatever, works for whatever you're doing, that's all that really matters. I have people asking me all the time, like, what are you doing? That doesn't make any sense. I don't know. It just, to me, it don't have to really make any sense to anybody else as long as it works for yourself. That's all that matters. That is all. I mean, I guess you need to say about that. Anybody that comes up with a new strategy, be like, that don't make any sense. Then next thing you know, like a whole bunch of people are using the strategy. Most of the time we're trading off higher time frames in the morning, mate, on the 5 minutes. So we're like looking for like the hourly candle to get ran or 4 hour candle to get ran, 15-minute breakouts. So just higher time frame, just using the 5 minutes to find clean entries where you got clean 5 minute candles with less than like a 30% pullback is usually the best ones that I like. But sometimes I do take a little bit more trashier ones. But in the morning when it's breaking out, let's see. So like this is something that I will take, that this is actually I see this happen over and over. So you get this big bullish 5 minute candle with a small body red candle with a wick on either or side. And most of the time that'll stay very bullish. So I like when I see this. And plus we're above the 15 minutes. We're above the 4 hour high. But I mean, we actually did take this, but we actually took it as it broke out the 15 minutes. Because we were long from 417 this morning. Yesterday was a loss. So what happened yesterday was I was long bias, but what happened is we were having deeper pullbacks and I just could not withstand the pullbacks. So I would have had to have like a 40-point pullback when we were trying to buy the breakout yesterday morning. So we ended up getting stopped out. I want to say, I can't remember what candle it was. I feel like it was this one here because I would have got long here. So here's another one that's a nice one too. See, big, nice 5 minute candle. Then you get the kind of like the bull flag. I mean, even though it's only one candle, but a lot of times you'll just get the one little red candle. And then you're breaking what, a 4 hour high, since you already, this was the 4 hour high here. And this candle already ran a previously hourly low. And that's what all these boxes are. They're hourly candles that I'm taking trades on the 5 minutes. So this is a 4 hour candle. So here's that's almost like a kind of like a little order block. I don't remember what happened here. That would have been Sunday's gap fill. This would have been Friday. So I took a loss here on Friday. So here's your 15 minutes. Yeah, we took a loss Friday. No, we're not back testing. I was just they were just asking what how I usually like to take my entries in the mornings. What platform are you trading on, Miguel? You can always use the risk management setting with Tradeovate if you're using Tradeovate or Ninja. You can set your daily loss limit, how much you're willing to lose. That's okay. I don't even look at that stuff, Micro Man. The only time I really pay attention to likes is when we're on my funded futures because, you know, we're trying to get to a certain likes. Well, thank you, sir. Oh, yeah, most definitely. So we're at the previous day close here. I thought I was going to get stopped out already. Nice. Oh, you thinking we get down to the 26 100s? Man, that'd be awesome to have a big, nice pullback tomorrow. I'd be a-okay with a big, nice pullback. I'm ready for somewhat normal price action to come back where we get a move up, then you get a clean move back down, then a big move back up or something. But lately, price action's just either going straight up for the last 2 weeks. We're going to need one of those big, like, 100-point sell-offs. We're on the 5 minutes. All right, runner finally got stopped out. Oh, you mean for the sell-offs? Very possible. We could be selling down here. I don't know. I'm not going to enter any more trades. We're just going to keep what we have on our account, wherever it may be. So we're at 1,000. Well, we're not up 1,000. We're actually only up 585 tonight. But like I said, that's because I was talking about that earlier where there was a little bit of a glitch in the Bulanox things where it wasn't calculating your unrealized P&L. But these are from the fundeds from earlier. You see, they didn't reset today. But these are the ones that were copy trading. I am back to the 26,000 again, Nick. You got to copy trade 3 count. I know I keep making, I keep getting to the 26,000 and I keep losing like nonstop. I would have to make, let's see. See, that one I need, let's see, where's it at? What, $800? So, yeah, 800 and 700. Yeah, I'm thinking about not trading my fundeds tomorrow. I'm hoping we can get those in the next week to 2 weeks is going to be my goal. Hopefully by the end of the month. I'd be definitely A-okay with that. Yeah, because I took a loss last Friday of 70 bucks. I don't know. We'll just wait and see what price action looks like in the morning. If anything, what we can do is trade that one funded that just has 26,900 on it, and just instead of copy trading, just trade one account. So, excuse me. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to call it here because I was stayed on probably an hour longer than I really wanted to. It's already at their 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock. And I have to get up in a little while. 9 o'clock to 9:15 in the New York session. We do New York session every day. We don't ever miss New York. Yeah, it's live. Now it's, some days it's really hard to tell you like where you're entering because for anybody that trades the opening is so fast. A lot of times I don't even know where I'm entering because the market is just slinging. So you have to you got to be definitely you got to be on top of it when you're trading the opening, man. Either going to break even fast or just getting your profits taken off or figuring out where you're going to take profit. A lot of times I won't be looking at the chats very much in the morning time just because it's just so much going on. Oh, you can't trade. Oh, yeah. It took me probably close to a year and a half to 2 years to really get comfortable trading the opening, where like now I'm like super comfortable trading the opening, and it's just part of it every day. Like I look forward to trading the opening, but I used to not though. I was the same way, Nick. I would never trade the opening. I always waited. I just watched, and I waited for that first 15-minute candle to print, or I waited till 10 o'clock or something like that. Thank you guys for watching. Let's see. I have to find all my streaming things so I can change it. Thank you guys.